This is the instrument cluster used in 2006 to 2009 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 trucks. Over the years, these clusters have been known to cause problems for truck owners, and it's only a matter of time before these issues appear as the modules are highly susceptible to age-related failures. Today, we're going to walk through the proper diagnosis of a faulty cluster and show you how to get back on the road quickly. The most common symptoms of a failed gauge cluster include intermittent power loss, backlighting issues, intermittent or completely dead LCD screens, or individual gauge issues. You may experience one or all of the symptoms at the same time. This, of course, can be quite frustrating as you rely on the information from your cluster for proper operation. Unfortunately, brand new replacement options are no longer available from the manufacturer, leaving you to decide between getting a used module, which likely has the same age components as your original, or having your cluster repaired. At Circuit Board Medics, we offer an affordable repair service for these modules that will make your cluster function better than new. Not only will we fix your current issues, but we'll also address all known failure points to prevent any further problems down the road. This is a complete plug-and-play solution that will preserve your mileage and requires no programming. If you're having issues with your cluster and would like to have it repaired, you can visit our website at circuitboardmedics.com or give us a call at 800-547-2049. We look forward to serving you.